Oh man, my mom just got this thing, bro. She's gonna kill me. Oh my gosh.